Today, you will learn how to create flashcards in Word document in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Now go to the Layout tab at the top. Click on Orientation and choose Landscape. This gives us more horizontal space, perfect for flashcards. Next, still in the Layout tab, click Size. Look for 4 inches by 6 inches paper size. This is the ideal flashcard size. If you don't see it, click More Paper Sizes, set width to 4 inches, set height to 6 inches. Press OK. Now your page is perfectly sized like a real flashcard. You can simply start typing your content on the page. Make the text large, use bold for headings, keep it clean and readable. Each page becomes one flashcard. This method is great if you want big, clear cards. If you want to print many flashcards on one page, go to Insert, then Table. Choose 2 columns, multiple rows. This creates boxes that act like flashcards. Now drag the table borders to resize each box. Each cell becomes one flashcard that you can cut after printing. Here's a powerful study tip. You can color code your flashcards. Select a column or cell, go to Table Design, then Shading. Pick a color. For example, blue for definitions, yellow for formulas, green for questions, pink for answers. This helps your brain remember faster. Now type inside each box. Questions, answers, vocabulary words, dates, formulas, short notes. Adjust font size, color, and alignment to make it look neat. When done, go to File, then Print. Check orientation is correct, paper size is correct, margins look good. Choose how many copies you want and click Print. Use scissors or a paper cutter. If you used a table, the borders act as cutting guides. Super easy. Now you know how to create professional flashcards using Microsoft Word without any extra tools. This method is simple, fast, and perfect for studying, teaching, and revision. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more beginner-friendly Word tutorials on the channel. I post easy tricks that save you time and make you a Word expert.